Cathie Wood said no one will be able to buy Cardano after this. Make sure to stay tuned to this video until the end so you won't miss these very interesting updates about it. Cathie Wood has shared her perspective on cryptocurrency, and this is what I'm going to share with you as well in this video, including what she thinks of Cardano and how she thinks the industry is headed. The insight she provides is remarkable and does have some implications regarding the future availability of ADA. Guys, this week I came upon a very interesting website. See the link in the description below. It's called Stable Pool, and everyone who registers on their website until October 31st will receive up to $50 in crypto. It's a new platform, but during the first week, they received more than $80 million of investments. They also have a partnership with a Japanese exchange called TaoTaoX.com. When you go to their website, you can immediately claim the free $50. After that, you go to Top Up on the left side of the screen. Then at the right, you select a currency and enter the amount you want to deposit. After that, you are free to go and earn money. Note, I'm not a financial advisor, and investing is always at your own risk. Let me begin by stating that the crypto market overall has been rallying, and many major cryptocurrencies have been showing health signs. In contrast, Cardano has been going on a slight downward trend for the past week and is currently trading around the $1.19 level. This means that on the last day of March, Cardano has ranked 7th in the world based on market capitalization. Then, after hitting a record high of $3 in September 2021, Cardano has been on a downward trend. There is no doubt that this trend could lead to some crypto investors and analysts dismissing the company and saying that ADA is in trouble. In the meantime, the downward trend is slowing down, which supports the assertion made by Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson that the company aims to achieve long-term success. Although it has taken Cardano a little longer than expected for its updates to catch on, it appears that they are gaining traction, and Cardano could be in danger of rallying and going up again soon. With this, check out Cathie Wood's outlook on crypto and the industry for what she believes awaits the crypto coins and ADA in the years to come. Understandably, some of you might wonder who Cathie Wood is and why we should care about what her thoughts were. Several people possess opinions about cryptocurrencies, but this is largely due to their ignorance or lack of understanding of the industry. Wood, on the other hand, is not one of them. She is well known for being a cryptocurrency investor who has invested multi-millions of dollars. Her experience in the financial industry is extensive, starting as an economist, then as an analyst, before becoming a portfolio manager and managing director. Following that, she co-founded a hedge fund before becoming chief investment officer at a leading asset management company where she managed $5 billion. The founder and CEO of ARK Invest left her company after her disruptive innovations were rejected for being too risky, and she now serves as the CEO and founder of this investment firm. Besides being a renowned stock picker, she brought a new innovative ETF to the market that became the best-performing equity fund in 2020. As such, it is evident that she is adept at spotting opportunities associated with digital assets and new technologies. Even though many investors now do not consider cryptocurrency viable, Catherine Wood was one of those advocates and was known for long as a proponent of the technology. Her investment firm owns more than $1.5 billion worth of shares of crypto exchange Coinbase. Similarly, she recently caused a stir by predicting Bitcoin would surpass $500,000 recently at a high-profile conference called the B Word. Among the speakers were Cathie Wood, Elon Musk, and Jack Dorsey, founder of both Twitter and Square. Three of them are looking forward to the future of cryptocurrency, and even though Cathie Wood and Dorsey are supporters of Bitcoin, Wood is clearly on the bullish side about cryptocurrencies. So regardless of whether Bitcoin reaches such heights, it will mark a very significant rise for the crypto market as a whole. Therefore, as someone whose reputation and career depends on finding investment opportunities for her funds, Wood's opinion is clearly one to take into consideration. Overall, Wood's track record for being right is very impressive. Having said that, if her prediction comes true and companies continue to invest in things like Bitcoin and institutional investors begin allocating 5% of their funds to Bitcoin, the price could be tenfold from where it is today. This will be over $500,000 instead of $45,000. Further, Wood stated in another interview that institutions are moving to some degree into this asset class, which has a correlation that is different than other asset classes. A manager of a large institutional fund has to look for new asset classes with low correlations that are changing. To an asset allocation expert, that's the holy grail. Wood believes that crypto has a great deal of long-term potential. Based on the trends set by Bitcoin, a clear framework can be seen regarding the cryptocurrency market in general. It is no coincidence that the rising and falling prices of Bitcoin reflect the market movement of cryptocurrencies as a whole. The growth of other crypto coins will almost certainly follow a similar pattern. This assumes that Wood is correct. Moreover, it is impossible to know right now, but given her past performance, it's certainly possible. This is not to say that all cryptocurrency is the same, as there are a lot of crypto coins that will not survive on a long-term basis. Bitcoin is not without its issues. Musk's highlighted those issues during the Bitcoin mining process. For example, it consumes a massive amount of fossil fuel, causing Tesla to suspend Bitcoin transactions. Nevertheless, Musk stated that he believed in cryptocurrency as an excellent idea on many levels, and that it has great potential. Furthermore, he stated that other crypto coins will be investigated that require less than 1% of the energy that Bitcoin consumes per transaction. Cardano, he stated, may be one of those coins. Meanwhile, investors are pushing Musk to adopt sustainable practices in its business operations, which reflects a general concern about climate change. Despite Bitcoin's many outstanding features, could the high energy consumption of Bitcoin mining be its Achilles heel? It was Musk himself who noted the focus is shifting to energy-efficient crypto coins in that context. Cardano, which is far more energy efficient than most crypto coins, may see their popularity rise in response. With this, all crypto investors, including those who invest in Cardano, are experiencing an exciting time. Due to the momentum shifting towards Dogecoin, a crypto coin that was treated as joking just a few months ago, Elon Musk is likely to pay considerable attention to an energy-efficient cryptocurrency like Cardano. And as we all know, that with a tweet he can send the price of a stock soaring or plunging, so getting the thumbs up from him could skyrocket ADA's price. Despite this, the move to energy-efficient altcoins, along with the positive sentiment surrounding crypto coins by luminaries like Elon Musk and Cathie Wood, suggests investors can expect high rates of return on their investments in cryptocurrencies. As a result, Bitcoin miners should have to wait for many years before energy sources like these are commercially available. Moreover, Cardano and Dogecoin, for instance, are energy-efficient crypto coins that will open up a lot of possibilities in the meantime. The fact that so many notable investors are bullish about Dogecoin and Bitcoin as well as the overall crypto market suggests that a huge increase for the top coins will also boost various other currencies. If the top 10 cryptos skyrocketed in price, that could result in high demand and a possible shortage of these coins. Is it possible that a meteoric rise in the price of crypto coin could make it difficult for people to purchase them in the future? Though it is hard to predict, it is a certainty that these coins are almost certain to experience a bull run within the next few months. Meanwhile, Edward Snowden served as an information technology consultant for the CIA and worked for the National Security Agency. Following his resignation, he flew to Hong Kong, where he disclosed the NSA was working in conjunction with Europe's government and telecommunications firms to conduct numerous surveillance programs. After being charged with espionage by the U.S. government, he fled to Russia and sought asylum. Snowden's perspective on the emergence of cryptocurrency, and particularly Cardano, is certainly interesting due to his insight into the inner workings of government. Snowden warns in a recent interview that Bitcoin may one day disappear, but so long as people still want to be able to move their money without banks, cryptocurrencies are likely to continue to be valuable. Snowden is advocating the idea that governments will one day crack down on major cryptocurrencies to be able to control banks. As a former high-level official in the government who performed surveillance work, this is very concerning. We can see this happening in the crypto market right now. Further, people won't be able to get their hands on major cryptocurrencies like Cardano in the future if that is the case. He does, however, also appear to believe that cryptocurrencies will persist as long as there is a demand for them. As ominous as the future appears, leaked documents show that Snowden is a big fan of cryptocurrencies like Cardano. So once Cathie Wood sees Cardano the same way as Snowden sees it, then its price will skyrocket and it will be impossible to purchase. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.